Alright, this is Chaos. This is the freestyle by Infinite 5150. Check it out. Turn it up too. I just wanna be left alone, so why won't you just set it in stone, so set it in stone. And I don't ever wanna feel this pain, won't you get away, said I don't know what it really feels like to really get joy. Why don't you just please leave me alone? I don't know, because man, I really set in stone. And if you're really gonna try to really be the one, I don't even know, because man, I'm starting to have fun. If you try to do that to me, you better leave. I don't know, man, it's really torturing me. And I gotta say what I really wanna do, I mean, I don't know, I wanna be left alone. I don't know, just get away, won't you get away? So I don't ever wanna feel this pain, won't you get away? Just leave me alone. I don't know, baby, I just really gotta go. I can tell you something, man, you gotta be known. Now what you gonna do, man, you better get away. Man, you know you feel the groove, and I just want you to get away, so get away. And I don't ever wanna feel this pain every other day. I don't know, it is getting hard and everybody's sitting there calling me names. I don't even know, man, I'm really never gonna change. If you're gonna be the one, you say it and I say it. I don't know, won't you just get away? It is getting really hard, you calling me names. I can tell you something, man, I'm never gonna change. All this pain that I gain, man, it's really, really strange. I just want you to get away, won't you get away? And I don't ever wanna feel this pain, oh, you know what it means. I can tell you something, man, I really had it rough. Every other bloody day is really, really tough. I don't know, because man, it's getting hard to breathe. All this anxiety, man, it's really killing me. So I just want you to get away, won't you get away? So I don't ever wanna feel this pain every other day. And I know that I'm never gonna change, I'm never gonna change. So I don't know what you gonna say every other day. So I don't know, because man, it's getting really tough. Every other day, man, I know I had enough. I can tell you something, man, I know I had it rough. If you're gonna be the one, just get caught. Oh please, oh, won't you get away? I don't even know, because man, that's really in my brain. I can tell you something, man, I do this every day, driving me insane. Won't you just get away? I just want you to get away, won't you get away? And I don't ever wanna feel this pain every other day. It drives me nuts, I don't know, shut the fuck up, get away. And you know that it is my pain every other day, man, it's really in my brain. I can tell you something, because man, I want you to get away. I can tell you something, man, you gotta get away. And I don't even know, man, I'm never gonna change. Say that 2 times, motherfucker, in a single day. I don't even know, because man, you gotta fucking pray. Get down on your knees and you pray to fucking God, and I'm not gonna take your fucking life, you dumb slob. That was a freestyle by Chaos, instrumental by Infinite 5150. Check it out.